everyone, welcome back to my channel KK Styles. So in today's video I will be showing you 5 different styles in which you can pair your palazzo. So let's get
Here
started.
comes my first look, that is an Indo-Western look. I have paired my chanderi koti with golden detailings with my black palazzo, and to go with the look I have paired my golden chandbalis with it. My second look with that same black palazzo where I have paired it with black top, black crop top and with black heels. Here I am only wearing golden hoops and avoided any neck piece, but if you want you can go on, but I kept it simple. My third, the second one, and also more realistic, because let's accept this, we cannot wear crop tops everywhere. So I have just added a black shrug and now I am good to go anywhere. My fourth look is quite different. Here I have taken a blue palazzo paired with short white top and a blue dupatta or a stole. So this is my fifth and the last look, that is an ethnic one, and I should say this is my favorite look. For this look, I took my off-white kurta with golden detailings on it and paired it with maroon palazzo that also has golden detailing on it that is barely visible, but believe me, it looks so elegant and Indian that you can even wear it to marriages. To complement the dress, I took my mom's jhumka, and here my look is completed. You can even wear a palazzo with anarkali or frock style kurta. It is so much in trend, and pair it with beautiful earrings and it looks beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit subscribe button if you want to see more such content. Bye bye.